In this video, we're going to talk about my saw, my circular saw. We're going to talk about my drill. Okay, and we're going to talk about my hammer. All right. So how am I going to bring that into with reliability? Hey folks, if I can master these three tools, does that make me a carpenter? This is Joe Kuhn of Lean-Driven Reliability, bridging the gap between best practices that you know you should be doing and the reality that you live in your plant every day. Well, the answer to that question is obvious, no. Mastering tools of the trade do not make me a carpenter. These tools are of little value unless I have a vision of what I'm trying to make. You know, for example, as a carpenter, a chair, a desk, a table, the carpenter selects the right wood and begins to use the tool to make the different features of the desk or of the table with the end in mind. They have the end table in mind. You know, how can I make a desk drawer from a 1-inch by 12-inch by 8-foot piece of lumber? How do I make a drawer from that? I have to have the end in mind of what the drawer looks like before I can use the tools to manipulate to the wood to the shape that I'm looking for. Intimately knowing the desk design comes first. Tools follow. Reliability. Mastering the tools alone does not, will not, and cannot create a reliability culture. And that's the error that 99% of people make. They deploy tools. Nevertheless, they take that action and then they hope that results come. The professional organization must understand what they want each tool to accomplish, and that's from an intimate knowledge of current state and a vision of target state. They must understand how the tools work together to create that vision. You know, an example that you may have, you may understand current state and you have great planning and scheduling, but you have poor PMs. Well, you may choose to select the PM optimization tool. You may choose, you know, failure mode and effects analysis to get better quality inside of your PMs. You don't need any more training on planning and scheduling. That's not the waste and that's not the current state in your plant. You know, another example, you have great PMs and great job plans, but you have poor precision maintenance. Well, you don't need to train the planners anymore. You don't have to send the reliability engineer off to some more training, but you may have to train your craftspeople on precision maintenance, precision lubrication, precision shaft alignment. Reliability, it's not about the tools, folks. It's about eliminating waste from your clear understanding of current state and your vision of target state. How do you get this deep understanding and clarity on current state? Chalk circle observation, you knew that? Okay, folks, hey, begin your journey. You can do this. Get free pointers from me by replying back to this YouTube or LinkedIn post. If you want an experience guide, reach out to me. I guarantee I can save years off your deployment. Hit like and subscribe. Joe out.